Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Today I have brought another incredibly delicious recipe. This dish is not only wholesome and nutritious but also super taste. The best part is that we need only one main ingredient. Let's see what we need for this recipe. We need 250 gram of garlic. It's our main ingredients. Coconut oil, curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili flake, 3 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. First we need to peel the garlic. Just like this. Now take a fork and pick holes into each of the garlic cloves. We do this so the garlic can absorb the salt nicely. Now take a bowl and water and 2 teaspoons of salt. Dissolve the salt and then add the garlic cloves. Mix it all well. Now set this aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the garlic out. Wipe the cloves dry to remove the water. Carefully wipe the garlic dry, making sure not to remove the peel. This much quantity of curry leaves. Now put the pan onto the stove and oil. Take enough oil to deep fry the garlic. Fry the garlic until they turn a beautiful golden brown color. This is enough frying. Now remove it from the oil. Add the curry leaves to the hot oil and fry them for about 30 seconds like. Take a separate bowl and add the 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix this all together. Now add the fried garlic. Mix well. Sprinkle the fried curry leaves on top. This is a highly nutritious dish that anyone can enjoy. Try this at home. Once you do, Please let me know how it tastes. And don't forget share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.